We have such a packed agenda today. It is insane. We're gonna go, go, go. Drink a lot of coffee, be ready to roll. We got a lot of stuff today, okay? We're super happy to have her. She's the vice president of Coldwell Banker. That's a big deal.
Why would you want to join the Coldwell Banker Global Luxury designation? Our agents have a 70% higher average sales price than the national average. So if you want to make more money, help more people, then this is a great start. So I did some market research myself, and I looked at how many units sold in the last 12 months. So in Menifee, 3,000 units, Canyon Lake, 496, Murrieta, 2,700. Okay, so you add all those, and let's just say 10% of the market is the luxury, and that's $23 million in GCI, just waiting there, waiting for Coldwell Banker Global Luxury agents to come in. So do I have your attention? This is a lucrative market, and if you're looking to increase your business next year, which is why everybody's here, right? We're here to business plan, consider the luxury market.
Coronado Case had never seen a home of this magnitude. This home was built on two properties, 320 feet of unobstructed bay frontage, 2 private docks, 2 pools, one of them being on the rooftop. We're kind of just at the end of that COVID height, and the market was changing. And I knew that my marketing had to be extremely different. I mean, it was just a beast of a home. Our other obstacle was location and price points. This was unprecedented. We knew that we had a huge challenge in front of us, and marketing was my #1 priority in this. And we had time to strategize and figure out what we were gonna do. And over the 4.5 years of it being built, you know, buzz, buzz, buzz. People wanted to know who owned it. People wanted to know if it was a resort. Like, what the heck is this house? And so I had to clarify that with my media. And I knew that I couldn't just have one video that clarified that. I had a story with this house. I knew the backstory. I knew everything about this house. We sat down together, he came to the house, he felt the house, he heard the story, and he saw my vision, and I told him, go at it. This is your job, this is where you excel. I want you to go ahead and do your thing. And that's what he did. Because this truly is a piece of art. It's luxury, living, it's yachting, it's design. And so I reached out and I wanted to get an artist. I wanted to talk to yacht brokers. And so I collaborated with everybody. I shared my story, and everyone loves to be a part of the story, right? And so they spread the word. This listing was going to expire this month if it did not sell. So
close one.
Yeah.
Close one.
Yeah. We did get close. There were some sleepless nights, but I want to tell you all something that when I had those nights where I couldn't sleep, and I was doubting myself and my ability and what I haven't done, you know who would call, and I don't want to get upset, but he would call and he would say, you know, I'm so proud of you. So anyways, and it was—
Gonna get me sappy.
Yeah, it was, you know, it was like just a call out of the blue. And it was so amazing. And sorry guys.
It's okay, it's okay. So
this property really changed the way that I communicate. It changed the way that I market. I represented the brokerage as best that I could. I represented all of you because it was a challenge for some of these agents and brokers that came and were like, the fuck do you have this listing for? You know, they would look and they'd say, you're in Murrieta. It's like, what? No one knew that I'm born and raised in Point Loma and that this is my stomping ground, but that didn't matter. You know, these agents from OC, and they're assets. And so anyways.
That's a little over $500,000 on the commission that she earned. And you know what? Do you guys agree she earned every penny of that?
Yeah.
Every penny. Yes. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Look what you got.
Thank you so much.
How many of you guys are really good at ChatGPT? All right, keep your hands up. How many of you guys that have your hands up do not have the premium version? Okay, you are not good at ChatGPT. How many of you guys are working with images a lot on ChatGPT? When you go down to the plus symbol, as you guys know, that's where you can take a picture. Does anybody have a really nice purse? This is one of the twins' Louis Vuitton purses. I'm gonna set it right here. I'm gonna hold it up and I'm gonna take a picture. Tell me about this purse. It appears to be a Louis Vuitton Lock Me Bucket bag. So let me just ask you this. What is the value of that purse right now if I were to go buy it new?
If you were to buy that purse brand new right now, you're likely looking at somewhere around a couple $1,000s, often in the $2,500 to $3,000 range.
Really between the $2,500 to $3,000. Okay, you can open up your refrigerator and you can take a picture of your refrigerator and say like, hey, you know, I didn't plan for dinner tonight, what can I make? And it'll spit out a bunch of different recipes based on what it sees in your refrigerator. Cocktails as well, of course Haley says that. So I was visiting a company 2 weeks ago in Oklahoma. I took a picture of this on the wall, just randomly. And I said, what is this? It says, this is a large mural on the side of a brick building. This land is your land, painted above him. And this machine kills fascists is what it's called. This land is your land. 1940 Message of Unity by Woody Guthrie. Anything you ever see, anywhere you ever go, you have access for all human knowledge now from here moving forward. 2 years ago, I literally just crashed. I couldn't figure out what happened to me. My energy just shot down. So I went down to Quest Diagnostics right here in Menifee. I got blood work. I said I want the full shebang. So I got that done. And then I uploaded my PDF of my blood work. Please review my blood work and give me the best vitamin supplements to offset anywhere that I may need. Please choose the top ranked manufacturers with the highest rating and the healthiest in the way that their supplements are produced. Also give me the links to purchase them. And I asked it what things are missing in my life that I need to, because I'm 53 now. And I don't know about you guys, but I want to friggin' charge into retirement. I'm not slowing down. And it gave me like a list of like 6 or 7 vitamins. I took all that information, right? And I did it. And I said, okay, I'm gonna take all of these things that offsets my blood work and I'm gonna see what happens. I took it for 6 months and I feel 25 again. Like I can tell you right now, I'll go drink for drink with Luigi right now. Where's he at? Your job will not be replaced by AI. Your job will be replaced by somebody that's better at AI than you are. That's the fact I want everybody to know. Let's talk about how you can use it and how ChatGPT really works at a higher level than what you're doing now. That's gonna be your new best friend. That little circle is your new best friend. Your best friend very soon will be ChatGPT. It'll be the personality, the person, the entity that knows every single thing about you.